Obsidian How to Link folder. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian on your computer and load the vault where you want to create and use folder links. Once your workspace is fully ready, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the settings panel where all configuration options are stored. Inside settings, go to the community plugins section so you can manage and install additional features for your vault. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace and wait a moment for the full plugin list to appear and become searchable. In the search bar, type folder links and wait until the results are filtered and displayed clearly. From the results, select the folder links plugin and open its details page so you can review it before installing. Click Install and wait patiently until the installation process fully completes without interruption. After that, click Enable to activate the plugin so it becomes available and ready to use inside your vault environment. Once it is enabled, close the settings window and return to your main workspace where your notes are located. Now open the note where you want to insert a folder link so you can begin working inside the editor. Click inside the editor area to place your cursor, then type 2 opening square brackets to start creating a new internal link. Next, enter the folder name followed by a / inside the brackets so Obsidian recognizes it as a folder path instead of a single note. If you want the link text to appear differently, add a vertical bar after the folder path. After the bar, type your custom display name so the link looks cleaner and easier to read inside your note. When you are done, close the brackets and move your cursor away so the link is finalized automatically. Finally, click the folder link you just created to test it and confirm that it highlights correctly and opens the intended folder inside your vault for smooth navigation.